At what age did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, became a prophet? Prophet Dawood as-salam is famously known for the story of David versus who was the first person to accept Islam during Prophet Muhammad's life. How many brothers did Prophet Yusuf as-salam have? Prophet Yusuf as-salam possessed half of the world's Who was Prophet Yusuf as-salam's father? How many names does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have? How many daily prayers did Allah originally ordain upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's humma? What was the name of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him's first wife? What was the name of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, babysitter's wet nurse as a child?
Please comment, like, subscribe and share. Please subscribe to Islam.